Back to my trading channel. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the incredible indicator that is completely free to use on TradingView. As you can see, we have high accurate buy and sell signals, and this indicator is the unique combination of the moving averages that provides you extraordinary perfect entry and exit points. And the good thing is that this indicator is completely free to use on TradingView, and this indicator is based on the moving averages. So make sure that you are going to watch this full video. So before I jump into this video, guys, please visit my website fxmentorus.com, and here first of all click that banner link where you are able to register with the best forex and the crypto broker that I am using from 2015. The good thing is this broker is regulated and it provides you fast deposit and withdrawal methods, and this is one of the trusted brokers on Google as well. And moreover, if you go to my website indicator section, you can see we have three indicators. These are the private indicators that we have listed on our website. The first one is for beginners, the trending moving average, and you can see this is a very good indicator. If you are going to use it into the trending market, you can book this indicator by contacting on Telegram or email. The best seller indicator is the bank selling one and the bank buying order. This indicator automatically plots buying order and bank selling order where the institutions are going to take their position. So this indicator has a high accuracy, and I have a best feedback from my subscribers. You can check the feedbacks by going into the Telegram channel. And the third one is the swing trading guru. You can see these signals are very fantastic, and this indicator is capable of providing the swing rides. Okay, and my last service is the 1 hour market maker coaching, in which I teach my subscribers how they can trade with the banks. Like, there is a bank trading method, and I basically teach the bank method in my 1 hour session. And these are the feedbacks that I have received after taking the sessions. My students are doing a very good job with the financial markets. Okay, now let's come back to the point, and let's reattach this indicator so that we are going to use it completely for free, right? Okay, so in order to attach this indicator, you need to write T3 on TradingView, then you will give a space, and then you will write JMA. So please understand, again I repeat, T3 space JMA. So when you click this indicator, then you can see it. This indicator is automatically plotted on your chart. Now if you just look at this indicator, you can clearly see this is based on the moving average. Now I'm going to the settings of this indicator. Now you can see if we go into the input section, it is using some comma, and it is using some smoothing factor, it is using some CWVMA, and I'm going to tell you what it is actually. Okay, so don't worry, because this video is going to be very informative for you. First of all, this indicator is not based on the one moving average. It's basically based on a 2 to 3 moving averages, and that makes this combination very well. So the first one is the T3JMA, that is the smoothed moving average, and the second one is the comma that I have shown you in the inputs, that there was a comma written inside the inputs. What does it mean? It means that this is the Kaufman adopted moving average, and might be you have no idea about the Kaufman adopted moving average. It's basically based on the market volatility, and it provides you very good buy and sell signals. And the third thing that this indicator includes is the VWM, that is called a volume weighted moving average. So that moving average basically works on the volume basis, because you know that we use different volume indicators, but there is no need to use one indicator volume indicator separately, because one of the moving averages is using the volume weighted moving average as well. Now you can see overall I have seen the signals to be very good on the higher time frames. Like this is AUD/JPY 15-minute. You can see we have received the buy signal, and then you need to make sure that the price action should be above the moving average for taking a buy position. So once you have a entry from here, then you are going to set up the stop loss at the previous low of the market. Now you can take a chance into 1:1 or 1:5. Depends on you how you are going to take it for scalping and the day trading. Now guys, you can use it into the forex, crypto, stocks. For example, if I go to the Bitcoin chart, and right now I have switched my chart to 1 hour, you can see it has provided us a very good sell signal here, and then the price was so much reversed, but we don't have a buy signal, I think so. Let me see the current chart. Yes, we don't have a buy signal right now. Okay, so if you are a Bank Nifty trader, let's see how it's performing. You can see it has provided us a buy signal on Bank Nifty. The price moved up, sell signal and the buy signal, so both are well. Okay, so you can use it on anything like forex, stocks, commodities. Okay, here you can see that we have some wrong signals, so definitely you need to understand that this is the free indicator, but it is not going to be wrong all the time. Overall, as per the free indicators, this is one of the top indicators that I can say that are based on the moving average. Even on Great Britain pound USD, you can see we have a selling opportunity and price was reversed, buying opportunity, price went up and then selling, and might be the price will reverse later on. So you can just add this indicator with the other indicators, but you can definitely cannot alone rely on this indicator, otherwise it will be dangerous. But overall, this indicator is based on the three moving averages, which is a good factor. Moreover, guys, visit fxmentorus.com, and if you want to join the best broker, click here. And if you want to book my private indicators, or you book a 1 hour bank coaching method with me, then guys, contact on Telegram, or you can email us. Just use the contact us option. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe and share.